Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on your journey on the internet, you're going to have a lot of different experiences, both good and bad, but mostly bad. And so today I'm going to be talking about how bad experiences are actually good. Now, for the majority of people, whenever they have a bad experience, it normally means that there is some type of failure. And I think for a lot of people, they don't like failing. I don't think anybody would really like to just have bad experiences all the time. But the reason why these bad experiences are good for you is because you actually learn lessons from them. You know, if you actually see it as a lesson that you could actually learn from and improve upon. And if you continually take this approach where these bad experiences are great lessons for you, then whenever you actually encounter these problems in the future, you actually won't make the same mistakes and you'll have less bad experiences and more good experiences. And so I know this thing sounds really common sense, but it's really hard for your brain to accept that. It took me a long time, and I'm still actually learning through that because I have many failures and many bad experiences all the time. But the great thing is, over time, you have less of those and you have more good experiences from these bad experiences.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.
And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you've been through this yourself or maybe you're going through this right now, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did actually want to see my entire YouTube journey, I have a complete playlist, and so you can check that out in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.